Hello again, my lovely people. I am back with a U-part wig review from Royal Impression Hair. They are an Amazon seller. So let's do a quick unboxing here. I'm loving their little packaging. And like I said, this is a 22-inch deep wave U-part unit that I'm going to be stalling very quickly for you guys because I have to go on a date night. But it has 3 clips around the leave out, 3 combs and adjustable straps, and the cap is well constructed. First thing I noticed that the wefts around the leaf part are very thin, so it's going to make for a very flat install, which is great. And it has a fairly large leave out area. So let's go ahead and install. So simple foundation, y'all. I did not do much with this foundation at all. Just mainly anchor braids in the back and around my edges, so I don't rip out most of my hair when I'm inserting the combs up there. And you want to go ahead and oil your oil your scalp and massage that oil in. And the next step is to go ahead and cut these little elastic bands off the wig. They are not needed. It's just to hold the wig in place during shipment. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this unit. Like I said, super easy install. I'm just clipping the clips around my leave out area. Try to get the clips as close to your leave out area as possible, as close to your scalp. And I do find that not having anchor braids around the leave out makes it much flatter. But I'm just going ahead and inserting the combs in the anchor braids around my edges, and that is pretty much it. Don't forget to create an anchor braid at the nape of your neck and insert the combs there as well. So just doing a tug test on this wig. It is very secure. This wig is not going anywhere. So you guys can be very confident with this U-part unit. It feels like a sew-in. It literally feels like a sew-in. It's so comfortable on my head. So this is a deep wave pattern, and as you guys know, I am relaxed. So I'm going to have a time trying to blend this, but just showing you that the clips does have like a little bit of flapping. The unit has a little bit of flapping at the front, but you can easily sew this down to one of the anchor braids in the front, and that will literally alleviate that flapping. But that's one con. I wish the clip was a little bit closer to the edge so you won't have that flapping. But this is a beautiful deep wave texture. First thoughts, the inch doesn't look like 22, but I guess because it's curly, I would have to stretch it out. But I just wanted to brush this hair out. I want it kind of like a big curly Diana Ross look. So big puffy curls. I'm not going to add a lot of product in this unit at all. But I'm really curious on how I'm going to blend my hair because like I said, I'm going on a date night and I don't have a lot of time. But I love this blowout look. It kind of reminds me of like Solange, the way she wears her hair. And it is so big and beautiful. And this hair literally does not tangle. It is super soft and it gets super big. But of course you can really make these curls pop if you put a lot of product in it. But I'm not. I just love this poofy look. So yeah, my leave out is super straight. So I'm really nervous on how I'm going to blend this in. You guys drop some suggestions down below. Maybe if I would have used like a waving iron. I do have one, but I figured I would just kind of curl my hair. And yeah, let's just see how this goes. So I'm going to use a curling wand to curl my hair to try to attempt to blend it with this hair. It's a standard size curling iron. I'm not sure of the inch, but it's one of the tapered ones where it's smaller at the top and wider at the base. But let's go ahead and see how I blend my hair with this unit. So I'm using some Suave Max Hold spray, and this spray did make my hair puff up a little bit because I'm relaxed. So just beware of that. I do have spritz, but I didn't want to use that. It would have made my hair too hard and crunchy. But I'm going to go ahead and attempt to try to blend these curls in. Like I said, this is an attempt. I had somewhere to go really quickly, so quick install. But that's what these U-parts are for, you know, quick, cute look in a hurry. Well, you don't have time to fool with lace. So I found this unit to be very beautiful and it served its purpose. So I'm just raking the curls in with my finger. I think I should have added, like when I curled my hair, I should have took a piece of my hair and a piece of the wig and curled it together. I think that would have helped blending. So y'all drop some tips in the comment section below. You know, what you guys would use if you use like perm rods or things like that. Flexi rods. I just didn't have time for those to sit and set in my hair because I had to go. So that's why I used the, you know, heat method to curl my hair. But y'all drop some comments if you're in a hurry. How do you blend your straight hair with curly hair? But overall, this actual wig is very beautiful. I would just leave less leave out next time, just so I wouldn't have to blend so much. So I did end up putting some Suave Max Hold Mousse on the actual weave to try to kind of smooth out the curls just a little bit to match my own, and it worked out. So I'm just going to add some edge control. This is the regular Cream of Nature edge control, just to lay down my baby hairs and make it a little bit more sleek looking. All right, y'all, so I am all date night ready. This literally took me like 15 minutes to do, even without speeding it up like I did on the video. Very, very quick install. I love this unit. I would say it is true to length, especially when it's stretched out. So it may look a little bit short in the package, but make sure you're measuring it by the stretched length. So this was a super quick, super simple, easy install, perfect for date night. I don't have to fuss with lace anything like that. This unit lays super flat and it is a very, very affordable price. So you guys check the link below, and thank you Royal Impression Hair for sponsoring this video. You guys make sure you follow me on Instagram, cutie_hair for more photos and information. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like this unit and if you're going to check it out. Like I said, thanks Royal Impression Hair for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.